What's up, guys? So we got I put in a pretty big order for a lot of the expensive stuff, so we got a whole bunch of packages here. So this video is just going to be us unboxing, or Donnie unboxing.
Who's ready for an unboxing?
All right, so this is a separate order that we'd already gotten. This is the professional upholstery glue that I got for a spray gun that we're gonna be doing all of his headliner, door panels, dash pad, and all that stuff with. Really good stuff, sticks well. Then we got just a couple little things. We got a new lens. He needed a new lens for his cargo light or inside light. Got the fuel block off plate that we need because we're going to be doing the ACES fuel injection, so no need for the fuel pump. These are brand new motor mounts, so we can get that motor in there. And then this is the Raptor liner. So we're going to be doing under the inner fenders on the inside of them. We're going to be doing under the cab, and we're going to be doing under the bed with this stuff, all in black, nice and durable. Look nice. So.
And then maybe the same stuff inside my bed too. We'll just line it off so that it
we
looks
might
clean.
do the same stuff depending on how it comes down or how it comes out underneath the truck and stuff like that. See how even it is. If it looks good and will look good in his bed, then we'll do that too. But if not, then we'll just go with a standard rhino liner or something like that.
Yeah.
So.
All right, time for the new packages. Boom. All right, guys. So these are okay.
Sorry, Curtis.
Now that that's over with, we didn't know what that was, and it was a package that was with all the packages that were at our front door, so we just didn't know what it was. Okay. So now it's like Christmas morning, you know? We're gonna go with this by Auto Crafters. So what did we get from Auto Crafters?
I don't know. It's a surprise. Let's open her up.
Neat.
Oh yeah.
So for context, do we still have the other ones?
Yeah.
So for context, we bought, they looked perfect on the website for the rubbers that go under your hood so that they squeeze onto the fenders. They looked perfect. So we're like, all right, we'll get those. We got these like 2 months ago. So they're little rubbers that make your hood like
slide in.
They slide in. But on ours, on mine at least, it
73 to 76.
73 to 76. They're screw on and they're wider. So it's the same kind of concept with the
Different mounting system.
yeah. I'm gonna open it so that they can see. Oh my god.
Is that not a Ziploc bag?
No.
No?
Don't know why they didn't do that. But. So same concept of the like squeeze thingies, so that it is able to have some room and cushion.
Yeah, that line.
Yeah. But mine were on there, the ones that we took off the truck, they were like broken, like split, hardened.
Luckily, my friend's got a 77, and
Yeah.
those are destroyed, so we're going to give him those.
We're gonna give him the 77 ones because, yeah. Let's do LMC now. Do not open with sharp objects. I'll be careful.
Bring that blade in a little bit. See if it'll just pop and rip. There you go.
I think we got a lot of parts in here.
dry out.
All right.
So these are the rubbers that you need for the inner fenders
Yeah.
to connect to the cab.
One of the two.
Keeps them all. There's two of them there.
Yeah, but like there's another,
There's another one that connects the fenders to the body.
which
Which are those right here.
Yeah.
Actually, I think these are the ones that connect from the fenders. These are for the inner fenders to
Yeah.
connect.
So, yep, just got all new stuff because everything. Gotta get all new stuff because all the rubbers are bad. Yep. So there's that. Sorry. And then pedals.
Yeah, these are all the brand new pedals.
And the
Covers.
and cargo light switch right there. New pedals, gas,
pedal, accelerator, and
e-brake,
e-brake.
and then you got that? I thought we were just gonna fix it up.
No, I got the pad that's for your cargo light. It was all deteriorated. So this
Oh,
is the new
this
pad.
I thought it was metal.
Uh-uh.
So yeah, we got a new cargo light piece.
Yeah, the cargo light's great shit. Just
Yeah.
the pad was worn out.
Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah. All right. So there's that, and then
Oh, we
another
needed two
one.
of those.
We
Yeah.
need two of these. So this is probably for the one on the left or the right side. So there's another one of those.
Yeah.
And then
I can't remember what this is.
oh, it's the
Oh,
pump
it's the oil filter
oil filter
adapter
with the seal.
with the filter. Yeah.
So
Or with the gasket.
yep.
Is that it in that?
Yep.
It in that?
I'm gonna have fun with the bubble wrap later.
Oh, didn't do it.
Oh, here. Okay. Now, this I already know what it is. This is my exhaust tip. Hold on. Nice. Hello. Okay. Bubble wrap.
Shoot. Good.
Nice powder coated gloss black exhaust tip. Pretty sweet. So there's that. What should we do next?
You can do that one in the front. Yeah, I can do those.
Do these. Get them out the way. This doesn't matter if I cut it, right?
Sort of, yeah. Just don't gouge into it like that.
Okay. Flip it. Where's the cut? Oh, right here. Ooh, it's hot out here.
Not as hot as Florida.
Yeah. Just come right here. These are my bed liner patch
The floor.
repair panels.
The bed floor.
Bed floor.
Still not sure all that.
Yeah.
Just gotta
Show them.
yep. Flip it up this way. So these are the repair panels that we needed.
4 of them.
4 of them. There's only a couple spots in this bed that need to be replaced. The rest is good.
Just in case there's like a spot that's like rotted out, we have extra.
Yep.
Or the the future. We got it. Okay. It's fine. All right. That's out the way. Is this all from garage Buffalo Graveyard?
Nope.
What is this? Summit.
Just open up this.
This big one?
Yep.
Has staples in it.
I know what that is. Yeah, so just cut the.
Oh, this is the
We don't know.
wiring harness.
We'll see.
How do I get the staples out?
Pull the box.
Huh?
Pull one side and open.
This side's open.
It's rubber. Right.
Shut it. I'm gonna become a redneck. Cardboard. Oh, is this the bolt kit?
Nope.
Sounds like it.
Oh yeah, that is.
Master body kit. All the bolts that we need to replace everything on the body.
Just open it up. It's over there.
Show me to your friend. I'm showing you to my friend. Oh, wow.
All original zinc and black, full body kit with everything. The bed bolts, you name it, we got it.
Holy crap.
Yep. All brand new.
All brand new. Not going to have any rust.
His bolts spent its life in Montana.
Yeah, those things are rusted and
Yep.
gone. Is there anything else in here or is that it? Oh, there's more. Hey. These are the new,
What are they?
shackles. Yeah. Shackles. Powder. They're black, like we want. And then they got the new bushings.
And they're the 3-inch for the 4-wheel drive
Yep.
because the leaf springs are 3 inches wide.
So our ones are all rusted out and gone.
Yeah.
Didn't want to have to redo that. And it's 2 of them.
Yeah, is that it? It's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna put the stuff back in there.
Should I put this back in the bag?
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go there.
Three more packages. Oh, is that literally State Bronco Graveyard?
Uh-huh.
No, does it?
That's from Dennis Carpenter. So it's from LMC, but they get it from Dennis Carpenter.
What is this?
You should be able to just pull it out. Just
Yeah.
staple. Go. There you go. Just fold it down. There you go.
Oh, yes. Thirsty. Inserts for my grill.
Yeah. The grill's great, but the inserts were toast.
Toast. So, nice new ones. We're doing these black, right? These are black. Okay. There you go. sure we got Bronco graveyard stuff?
Yeah. Bronco graveyard. The wire, the shackles is from Bronco. The bolt kits from Shack. And this is from Bronco graveyard.
They just don't have one box.
Yeah, because a lot of them are drop shipped from different places. You know what this is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A sticker? Woo! It's a sticker. We got the wiring harness. Got all the stuff that we
And
need.
it's not a universal. It is designed for the 67 to 77 21 circuit. So it's a direct fit. You just got to run the wires, hook up all the connectors, and
And we're soldering. We're not doing the quick
we're
connects.
we're soldering everything.
Because we want my truck to last.
Yeah.
These are nice. I like those.
Yeah, so
I'm gonna keep those. And then this is other stuff. Probably for like
car shipping stuff.
so yeah.
Yep.
All right. Now,
Big boy.
how do I
Just an end. Ian's picking in.
pick it up?
Yeah. Yes, and this tape's going to be tough because it has an Allen in it. Yeah. So,
There we go. There we go. Oh, that's easy. Okie dokie. There's only
just set it down, you can probably drag it out.
There's all this stuff in it.
Yeah, it's fine. Drop down. Stay together.
It's alive.
Loud. Loud.
Set it down there. And then we'll get this other one out. Oh wait, there's parts.
It'll all come out.
Yeah, but oh my goodness.
Okay, so
Oh, there's
yeah,
more.
there's one more down there.
There's two more too.
Yeah, sleeve and.
Okay.
Okay, so real quick, I'll bring this up a little bit.
Should I?
Can you see me?
Oh, your face now.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, so this truck had drum on it, right? So I bought new, not new. I already said, I think in a previous video, that when I was showing you the used hubs, the GM hubs, but it came with the factory 5 on 5.5 spindles. So, and then got GM caliper brackets. So we're doing the GM calipers on it. So the original steering on this was a manual box with power steering assist. So it had all these series of like Y linkages and stuff like that with a steering stabilizer. And a buddy of mine who's been working on these things since the 70s had told me that to switch it to a 78, 79 Bronco conversion, front disc brakes, and change all the linkage, the drag link, the tie rods and all that stuff to where it's just a straight direct over and then one rod going across, which makes it apparently a lot more stable, a lot more less bump steer, and then add the steering stabilizers, and it's it'll be butter. So that's what we did. So we ordered this. So if you're wondering, this is 75. We're not doing the original 75, so we're doing a 78, 79 power steering gearbox with a power steering pump and doing everything just like a 78, 79 Bronco setup. So these are what these all are. So this, yeah, that's the drag. So this goes on the bottom, on the spindles, and then the tie rod end, which is in there, and the sleeve that tightens it. So all brand new, all brand new. SKP. So it should be nice.
Blue.
Yeah. So this is the tie rod. So yeah, don't mind the picture because this just has an end with threads on it, and then should be able to cut that end. Should be. Oh, this is the tie rod end. My bad. So it's the tie rod end with the threads. And then this right here is the sleeve bracket. Sleeve bracket. You can kind of see it. So one end of the bar goes in here, the tie rod end goes in here, and connects the two spindles together. And that long bar goes down to turn. So, yeah. And that's it right now. We'll pop on another video once we get that final package in, which is pretty cool.
Or if it gets here soon, we'll just add it to this.
Yeah, we'll add it to this one. So, go.
This is final package for today. So this is the fuel injection EFI system. That from Aces. Right?
Aces, baby.
Yep.
Here we go.
So I'm gonna do that. Fine. Okay. Always bet on Aces.
That's it.
More stickers. Sweet. Dude. What was it? If you got like above $1,000, they give you a plug-in thing?
Yeah, so no, over 1,000.
Yeah.
You get the
Bluetooth can
the
module?
bonus. Yeah, so you can basically on your tablet, you can insert your tablet in your truck if you want and have all your gauges and everything.
You might want that.
Yeah, it does have the handheld, the 5-inch handheld that you can inset that shows, you know, all your gauges and what your motor's doing and adjustments and stuff like that. But we're gonna go a different route and I think run an Android 7-inch screen in here.
Okay. It's just there. It's just a
wire
cord. It's just nice quality. Okay. Instruction, installation manual. We're gonna need that.
So we had the option to do like Holley EFI Sniper 2, or the other one was what is it? Phytech EFI system. But I've read so many good things about Aces, and you know they really know their stuff. So that's what we decided to go with.
Another sticker. Oh, what's that? Can I open it? I see something cool in here. I don't know what that is. But it's a keychain.
This is for the wires to go through.
Oh
What a
yeah.
nice keychain. Here, put that back in there so I don't lose it.
So
All right, you got your first keychain.
another sticker. And it's the same design keychain. Man, they giving us all this stuff, bro.
So just set it outside.
So what is this? What are all these little?
Just brackets and hardware and sure. That's for your. That's to mount your 5-inch handheld, which we're going to integrate into
It's a suction.
inside. Yeah. So
Sticky.
for the 5-inch handheld
Yeah.
for your display screen.
And then sensor, small electronics.
Yep. That should be the Bluetooth.
Or something. This looks like.
Should be the Bluetooth module.
No.
No. Is it just wires?
With.
Oh, that's an O2 sensor, so that goes into your exhaust. Perfect. Nice. And plugs in.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Ignition coil.
All right. That's good. You don't have to open
Another sticker.
another sticker.
Same exact one. Bro, we got stickers galore. Alright. Engine management.
Yep.
And that's another one.
Yep. That should. One of them should be Bluetooth.
Oh, so that it, okay. Hold on.
Let's see. Nope. That's the screen.
Oh, that's sick. So that goes in my cab.
Yep. So we're gonna integrate it. So that'll have all your displays on it.
That's dope.
Drop it.
Did that play button? Okay. And the cord.
That's.
Oh, I did not know that.
And that's the computer management system.
Ace,
so-
please sponsor us. And then this is a
Aces.
Aces. Yeah. BT cam.
Yeah, that's a Bluetooth. So that is the Bluetooth cam. So that's what we got for free.
Okay.
So you can have it on your phone, which we're gonna do
Well, then what's that for?
Apple CarPlay. Huh?
What's that for? The screen.
That's what I'm saying. We can either use that, or we can integrate that,
Yeah.
or we can see if it'll run on the Apple Play Android-based
All right.
stereo.
Distributor.
Oh, let's
Do I have
open
to
that.
open it? Beautiful. Hold it.
Gotta sit down. Let me go down.
You gotta see it.
Yeah, I'm going down. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby.
Do I take it out of it?
No, you can just show 'em.
Dude, every single package comes with a sticker. So, dude, that's such a nice black.
Yeah.
There we go. And then the top part or the bottom.
Yep. That goes inside of it. There you go. Then that slides in. Over it. There you go. now, so I got it pointed down anyways.
Pull in here, let me see. All the cables. Oh, and the
what?
carb.
The EFI, yeah.
EFI carb.
Yeah.
Can I take it out?
2 quart. Yeah. Go ahead. You gotta show them.
And the cables.
Yeah.
What should I do with all these on top?
This, you can take these off. And then those are all plugged in already. I'll put them out there. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Nice.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Let's put this thing back.
That's the bread and butter.
You're fine, we'll cut you out.
Good. Put them on. We just got the EFI. Yeah, it just came. Codas. Put them on. And
What's this?
this is the fuel pump, all the hose, the filters.
And then, or is this the Bluetooth connector?
Nope.
It's the USB can.
Yeah, that's not it.
No.
Nope.
Well, or that. And then another cord.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the thing that's on the line.
Goes in line on your frame. So that's the filter, fuel filter.
Yeah.
And then the other one right there is your fuel pump.
This?
No,
What's this?
That
This
is-
a screwdriver?
no. It's something, I don't know. I gotta read the directions, but you'll see. And then that one, the big one over there.
This one?
Yeah,
What is this?
yeah. I think that's another filter. It's probably a two filter.
Gauge?
Yep. Fuel pressure gauge.
Don't know what this is.
That is a regulator, fuel regulator. So you can adjust the pressure going into your EFI. And that's the pump right there. That's the fuel pump. Goes in line, that pumps all your fuel. And underneath that all should be the hoses. So you can pick that whole thing up.
Maybe the next
That's the
time.
bracket. Goes onto your frame.
Nice. So it's high quality.
Just easily lift that out. And then there's all the fuel line.
Ooh.
The
So
return.
is this what we're doing the quick connect with?
Return line.
And those
We already
look
have
pretty sick.
We already have the hand fittings right there. So that's probably all gonna be our mounting tip up to the EFI, and then we'll run the quick disconnects.
Probably just keep it there. Separator.
I did not know it came with braided lines and hand fittings. I thought it came with regular, just rubber hose. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's sick, man.
All right. If you're looking for one, go to Aces.